PSC 2018 previous year question on geography. Start with the question which stream of the geography is outcomes of the Vietnam War and the civil rights of the American blocs. Options are positivism, radicalism, behavioralism, and quantitative revolution or something. So the correct answer is radical geography. What is radical geography? Radical geography emerged in the late 1960s as a direct response to the social and political turmoil of the time, specifically the Vietnam War, the civil rights movement like Black Power, and the issues of the urban poverty and inequality. Why radical is the correct historical context? Radicalism is the geography was born in US out of a dis- dissatisfaction of the value free status quo during a period of massive social upheaval. Political engagement. Unlike previous streams, radical geographers focus on the issue of imperialism like anti-war sentiment and racial discrimination and social justice. Shift in philosophy. It was a counter-revolution against the quantitative revolution, which proponents felt was too abstract and ignored the uh, pressing social issues of the day. So the correct answer is radical geography. Now, the next question is the rate of weathering is high in Eastern Ghat, lower plains, Western Ghat, and third desert. So it should be Western Ghat because of the high rainfall activity. Like the rate of the weathering is notably high in Western Ghat, while Eastern Ghat experience moderate weathering. The third desert experience low rate of overall weathering. Western Ghats experience a very high rate of weathering. The combination of the warm tropical temperature, abundant moisture from heavy monsoon rain, and organic acids from dense forest accelerates chemical breakdown and physical erosion. Now, the next question is generally the north direction is shown upward in the maps because of the north pole is upward political reason land sea in more in north and astronomical region, so it is purely a political decision. Actually astronomical decision, sorry. Early European map maker are experts standardized placing north at the top of the maps primarily because of the navigated using North Star or Polaris, because this star is aligned with Earth's axis of the rotation in the northern sky. It serves as a fixed universal reference point of the astronomical navigation. Yes, so it is not a political decision, rather it is a astronomical reason. So the next question is fourth ring of the Von Thunen model of agricultural land use is characterized by the 14% fallow land, 33% fallow land, and 20% fallow land. So the correct answer is 14% fallow land. If we see the Von Thunen model, this is the uh, cycle of the particular model. So the correct answer is option 14%. So Von Thunen model was given in 1826. One seventh its calculation is one seventh like 14.28% or roughly 14%. Von Thunen model. Economic Von Thunen model. Zone on farming, so calculation of the Von Thunen model. Like calculation of the Von Thunen model. Give me the full calculation with equations, right? Give me the full calculation with equations. So that means I want to update my notes with these extra information I just got from here. Banthunan model of agricultural Banthunan model. So it is updated now. Banthunan model. Need to fix it, but I'll do it later. And the next question is the percentage of the rural roads in India is 40 to 45, 60 to 65, 75 to 80, and 85 to 90. So rural roads may be 75 to 80. Yes, almost 80% is the depending on the specific source used in the question. Like 70 to 80% is the, so 71% as per the data. Like as per the data, it is 1.4% total road network in the India. Now the next question is which projection is suitable to show the Trans-Siberian Railway, right? Marketer, conical, polyconic, and stereographic. So the conical projection with standard parallel is the correct option for the particular question. Now the next question is which of the following sampling technique is more suitable for a selection of a representative village of an area with diversified geographical features? So, diversified means they are stratified. So, stratified random sampling is the correct answer. Now, the next question in demographic transition model. In demographic transition, which is characterized by the sharp declining of the mortality rate, but the birth rate remains same. So it is the primitive demographic regime. No, your youthful demographic regime, a late expanding demographic regime, mature demographic. In mature, both are declining. In the youth, the uh, in the youth phase, in the initial phase, both are high, but second phase, death rate reduced, but so maybe the youth stage, like second stage is the youth stage. The demographic transition. Okay, so demographic transition theory of the models. Like the way I'm practicing, I'm also side by side updating my existing notes. Next question: which of the evidence does not support the plate tectonic theory? So jigsaw fits approach trading, similar drainage pattern, or similar rock system. Which of the following is not supporting the, so jigsaw fits supporting, seafloor spreading supporting, similar drainage system, or the similar rock pattern? Similar rock pattern also suggesting similar drainage pattern. It is defined by the climate. So the similar drainage pattern should not the wrong option or the correct answer.